General Museveni ekiro ky'eizooba yasiiba omuri Teso kandi ogu yatandikira omu district ya Serere nabwanyuma yaza omu district ya Soroti hamwe na Soroti City. Chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM habwe kyanga kya Teso sub-region Etwedo David Calvin yashobora district ya Serere hamwe n'ebyentunguuka yayo.
The issue of Nasari is an institute which is benefiting both Teso and Karamoja, and the government needs to upgrade it and finance it. The other issue is that Serere is a fishing community and they are fishermen. There should be a review on the fishing policies.
We are ready to protect the gains so that the youth benefit. The other thing is, for the first time, the President of the Republic of Uganda and the government of Uganda is giving the fishermen 30 billion.
Nenjaga kakasa ino testimony okakasa abantu bakyakiriza mu government ya NRM, bakyakiriza mu program za NRM, bakyakiriza mu sente twazifuna so tukyagenda maaso okulaba tujja abantu mu bwavu.
Mukuru w'empanuro z'ishenjero ry'Ihanga Right Honorable Anita Anet Among yashoborera ebintu by'entunguuka byingi President Museveni akorire kyanga kya Teso akagitaha mapu.
We want to thank you for the peace. We want to thank you for the development that you brought. And also to reassure the people of Serere that the Serere District Hospital is in our NDP4 and it has been approved. The health center is going to be upgraded from health center 3 to health center 4.
Omwebembezi w'Ihanga omu kugamba kwe yashoborera ngu akorire ebintu nyamwingi abantu b'ekicweka eki ebirimu enguuto, amarwariro, amashomero hamwe n'entunguuka omu bicweka ebi.
Contribution to Uganda is what you call in our language here apple.
Ibore ni yare tiene pola kere ngesingine bala apple arabona development.
Now apple has got two parts.
Now akironwa development ejata ribori yare.
There's economic infrastructure.
Ejangun nu anyun eponelo aitalakare ejautele sao.
And social infrastructure.
Also de jautenelo itunga.
Economic infrastructure are the roads.
Munu ingara kineta nwai aita chane pole isao nisa kironi gudo apolo ne gudo.
The electricity.
Akibi na EPA.
The telephones.
Isimun.
The railway.
Aipone ngole lo siagali.
The water.
Akipi.
These are all part of.
Munu kere ikamanara apolo.
Of economic infrastructure.
Aho na President Museveni bamushebe bichoncho bitaro bimwe na bimwe.
Ijala is putting me under house arrest.
Ijala is
putting me under house arrest.
Ota agwaikijala ekotijala ekamare polon.
That I must accept the cow he gave me.
Ekoto poloni ocham aijau na ina kine no poni jai kina ingesi.
People normally ask me for what I should give them. One of the few who said you must take from me.
Nelo se papa itunga keringi se bija itwere si diobore konye ne abunge se balijala be engora ijai kinijo.
Okuyamaririza naashaba abanya-Uganda okwega kwetandikira emirimo.
In that manifesto we have pointed out 7 contributions NRM has made to Uganda and is making it to Uganda.
Itemo itepate enapeta kanyare nejasi tungalo Uganda.
The first contribution is Aikuch, peace.
Edopeta kere ngesi aina pakina.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.